All right, let's get into the science of one of the hottest cosmetic treatments out there, hyaluronic acid fillers.
So what if the secret to looking younger is actually something your own body makes?
But first, to get the solution, you have to understand the problem. What's really going on with our skin? Well, you've got a few big culprits: sun damage, losing facial fat, and yep, even good old gravity. But a huge piece of the puzzle is losing one single, absolutely crucial molecule in our skin.
And that molecule is hyaluronic acid, or HA. It's basically our body's own natural hydrator.
Now this is where it gets crazy. HA can hold 1,000 times its weight in water, a total sponge.
So here's the catch. As we get older, our natural supply of this stuff just goes down.
And that's exactly why it's perfect for fillers. It's safe, and it simply puts back what we've lost.
But listen, not all fillers are created equal. You gotta think of them like a sculptor's toolkit.
A pro will choose the right one based on its properties, like how much lift it gives or how long it lasts.
The main idea: you use firmer fillers for structure and softer ones for smoothing out fine lines. Simple.
But remember, the filler is only the tool. The injector's technique, now that's everything.
Because an injector is navigating an incredibly complex roadmap of arteries and veins in the face.
And some spots, called danger zones, are especially high risk. One wrong move here can be serious.
And it's not just blood vessels. They're also dodging major nerves that control feeling and facial expressions.
Which brings us to the biggest risk, though it's rare: blocking an artery, also known as an occlusion.
Knowing the signs is absolutely critical. Things like sharp pain or if the skin suddenly changes color.
If this happens, there's an emergency protocol, and a skilled injector knows exactly what to do, immediately.
But you are on the clock. There's about a 2-hour window to fix it before the damage is permanent.
And all of this proves one thing: your injector's expertise is totally non-negotiable for safety and for results.
So it leaves us with this thought. As the science gets better and better, how do we make sure safety always keeps up?